Are you searching for a grill that's compact, portable, and delivers solid performance? Meet the Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill, a small grill with big flavor. It's perfect for those who love to cook outdoors but don't want the hassle of a large, heavy setup. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just grilling on your apartment balcony, this tabletop grill is built for convenience. Sleek, black, and practical, it checks all the boxes for grilling on the go. The cooking surface is surprisingly roomy for its size. With a 150 square inch porcelain enameled grate, you can cook up to 8 burgers, chicken breasts, or steaks at once. The porcelain coating helps distribute heat evenly across the surface, preventing hot spots. So whether you're flipping burgers or searing steaks, the results are consistent and delicious. It's ideal for small gatherings, family outings, or even everyday use at home when you don't need a full-sized grill. What powers this compact unit is a 5500 BTU burner. It heats up quickly and performs reliably. The twist-to-start ignition is a great feature, providing a simple and safe startup every time. Unlike larger propane grills, this one is fuel-efficient, using less propane while still delivering enough heat to cook thoroughly. That makes it a smart choice for extended trips or budget-conscious users who want efficiency without sacrificing performance. Portability is where this grill really shines. The folding legs offer quick setup and easy takedown. A secure lid latch keeps everything closed tightly during travel, while the built-in carry handle makes it a breeze to transport. Whether you're storing it in a small car trunk or carrying it to a campsite, it's incredibly convenient. Its compact form doesn't mean it's flimsy. On the contrary, it feels sturdy and well-built. To sum it up, the Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill delivers a winning combination of portability, performance, and practicality. It's great for grilling just about anywhere. With efficient fuel use, a dependable burner, and a generous cooking surface, it's ready to tackle your next barbecue, picnic, or road trip. If you want flavorful grilled food without the bulk, this little powerhouse might just be your go-to grill.